Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today, I have my Boxycharm in. Actually really early for Boxycharm for lately. It's been a little later in the month, but it's fine. It's the 7th. I got it in. Displaying my eye look, my different eye look. It's not Halloween anymore, but I had to serve a couple looks regarding this baby, so be sure to check out that video if you're interested in either one of these looks. I actually had a different look underneath this one, and then I took this to the next level just to show you some more versatility in the palette. And these lashes are kind of just all big and awesome. They were like on clearance after Halloween, because on the day after Halloween they were these Kiss Spirit of Halloween, and they're nice. I'd cut off a little bit, but they're just, I'm here for them, because the pair I was wearing all Halloween long, well, I finally threw away because they just got glitter all over them. They're a pair of Kiss, and Kiss are the cheapest ones out there, but they're nice, and they apply nice, and they stay nice, and they, I can almost see them if they're on my eyeballs. And this is Jeffree Star Poinsettia, because I didn't get any lipsticks. Bold eye, bold lip, who cares? At least with me, I don't care. I go for that. Tend to, I don't do nude lips often. Go ahead and open. I don't even remember what was in last month's box. Does anybody remember? Okay, no, never mind. I remember last month's box. It was that Dose of Colors palette I can't use because Carmen. And that's all I remember. Jamie's subscription boxes. So yeah, it's actually a bigger box than it has been. It might even be it is a little bit bigger than our old ones too. Now that this month they did raise to $25 a month in tax, because they're supposedly providing better things. Inside of this box is actually pink, so reminds me more of the Boxy Luxe. Now I didn't sign up for a Boxy Premium, which would be an additional charge, and I just wasn't really interested because I saw the sneak peeks. I'm like, I will never use, I try to color correcting concealer, I'm just bad about it. So I'd rather just have a full coverage concealer that's pretty much going to wipe out any discoloration in one swipe, rather than having to mess with it. Also, new this month, there was a complexion quiz and an option quiz, which you would prefer to get. The reason I got 2 of these, Boxy Stellar. They did ask they actually went in deep with it. Like, you could tell them what brands you use and what shades you use. I think I gave them a shade that I am in the summer. Or, yeah, I gave them Tarte Concealer Medium Tan. That's my more summer shade. I could probably go tan if I actually laid out a couple more times this year, but it's fine. And then I gave them Medium Neutral 4, which tends to be the one I go through the most of the Physicians formula. And they had the brand, they had the foundation. Like, they were trying to get in depth with you, okay? Because they're saying, concealers and foundations are an option now, which is fantastic. Give me a bougie foundation I'll have to pay for. Because, I weigh down that Tarte, and I love that Tarte. It's it is a little heavier finish. It's not like light. Like Precision Formula, which I'm wearing now, is light, and there's not as much. It's just because I can build it up, I just don't. But concealer is like one and done, and it's like everywhere. So anyway, they said that they were going to send you either a Pretty Vulgar or a Becca card. And you're supposed to, like, test these shades out and tell them which shade works better. The only thing I wish they would give you a note saying, hey, I'm the type of girl that will change shades in one line of foundation about 3 or 4 times a year. Probably 4. Because I go medium neutral 3, then mix it with the 4, and then I'm just solid 4, and then I mix it with dark cool 1, because dark neutral is a little too dark, and dark cool is not really cool tones. And then I'm solid dark cool 1 at a point in time. So yeah, that's me. So anyway, they gave me this Becca card, which I haven't tried this Becca foundation, so Lord knows, but maybe it's for this, like we'd actually get this ultimate coverage 24-hour foundation. I'm gonna pretty much guarantee I'm not Bamboo. Bamboo might be my darkest summer shade at a point in time. Actually, that doesn't look too bad, but wrong black. Yeah, it's a little warm. And it does have like their shade range on the back. Okay, this is olive. That's way more promising, actually. And then we got driftwood. It's almost too warm. Yeah, that's lighter, but I'm kind of thinking olive. So this is olive, obviously an olive undertone, which I'm not. This is driftwood, which does look more neutral in here, but it's also pretty light. But that might be my winter shade. So it's like, do I get a shade now for the winter? It would make sense. Or get a little darker where I can wear it from spring into summer. I think there's not a lot of shades. If this is their shade range, there's not a lot of shades. But we know Bamboo's out forever. See, the thing is, that just looks a little warmer than olive does to me. You know what? I'm gonna like swatch them on my face and okay. Okay, this is over blush. I probably should have placed it lower. Because I want to give them an accurate answer, okay? That's like over my blush. It's fine. Alright. Okay. I can kind of see that one a little bit. But olive actually blended in way better. See, sometimes I think I'm actually more of an olive undertone. If I'm not neutral, I go olive. Explains why. I'll probably keep it in the video why certain eyeshadows do a weird color look on me. Yeah. Okay. So that's that. Fun. Okay, first thing in here, everybody got this. If you're premium, you got like the set of 5 or something like that. These are Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. How far they've grown. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. MSRP $35. One, it's a little pricey, but they're actually good weighted. They're not light weighted. Alright, this, I guess for foundation, like this would apply it thick. It's uber soft though. But it's got to be like one of the densest foundation brushes I have ever felt. Like, I've got this one from Luxie. This is an airbrush foundation. Look, like all that movement. I mean, it is because they're shorter. So maybe like if I cut it down there, no, I think it would still move. Like, this is like compact. So I think it wouldn't absorb that much. Ignore the wig hair. It's everywhere. And we like actually, you know, lay it more on. Look if you need more of that. But they're so, I was going to just get rid of these, but they're like soft but dense. It's like a nice, like, massage type of thing. See if that works, that foundation in a little bit more. Will I ever use it for regular foundation? Probably not, because I don't like that heavy of coverage. For Halloween. But these are good weight. These are heavy, right, at the base. Like, right there. And even the handle's nice. This one, they say powder. I wouldn't apply no powder with this. I'm like, maybe some powder and blush, but like, setting powders, no. I think this would go real creamish. Like this, I was thinking more like cream contour. They're not labeled what they are. Like, I think more like cream contour. Like, because it's so precise. This one, like, definitely foundation. This one might have a little bit more room, but man, it's so dense. And it's so soft. It's like, I can't feel individual brush hairs. Like, even with that foundation brush, if I went like this, I could kind of feel them separating. I can't feel them separating at all. It's like really nice. I'm keeping these for Halloween. Okay, next up I got a Becca Shimmering Skin Protector Perfector Pressed Highlighter, an award-winning highlighter powder with an ultra buttery texture that melts into skin for ultimate high impact glow. MSRP $38. However, I got the shade Vanilla Quartz. Okay, the other option was Champagne Pop. I was wanting Champagne Pop. I don't have Champagne Pop. I don't have this one yet. But the thing is, when I hear vanilla, I think of white. White people. No, white people. Well, yeah, white people. Because, yeah, I don't know. It's actually appearing not that white in here. Like, it might work. Like, it might be too bad when my palettes. And granted, Becca are kind of intense. And this is like a white gold kind of. Like, it has a gold sheen in it. So I might keep it. Oh, yeah. It's doing a duochrome look. Okay, I was afraid. Okay. That is actually, I mean, I might have had foundation on that finger, so let's swatch it with this one. Okay, I was so afraid. Oh, that's gorgeous, actually. I might not could pull that off in the deep summer, because it'd be a little blind, like, a little too white. A little too light, but now into winter, oh, that's gorgeous how it shifts. Like, you look at the pan, it looks pretty, but you don't think you're gonna get that. And I love this design on it, so must be that line. I'm really happy about this. So yeah, okay, never mind. I was a little disappointed. I wanted Champagne Pop. That's fine. One day I'll get Champagne Pop. Next up are these. These are Vitamask morning and evening eye mask set. So I got a morning and I got an evening. Okay. Morning mask, a cooling eye mask to brighten and depuff, infused with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. The eye mask is ideal for those on the go. So made with silver. I'm a fan of that. Caffeine, algae complex, pumpkin, and pomegranate. Ooh. I love pomegranate. And pumpkin's good too. And silver and caffeine. Yes, okay. I'm not a fan of eye masks. Like, I just don't use them. They're not always, if I'm masking, I'm full masking. But these are like Batman Robin. Robin. Okay. And this one, an ultra relaxing eye mask that is made to aid in repairing the delicate eye area and smooth fine lines. Made with centinela and hyaluronic acid, this mask is a perfect companion to your nightly routine. Again, it's like a spotter mask. Made with copper. I don't think I've had a copper mask, have I? I've had silver, I've had gold, I've had pearl, I've had diamond, I've had platinum. I don't think I've had copper. Interesting. Amino acids, hyaluronic acid, and centinela. The only centella, I don't know what they. This thing is the one I picked for my box. This is a Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into our organic, antioxidant-rich botanical juices. Work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. MSRP $38. Oh, those are $12, so $6 a piece on this mask, I guess. So this is interesting. Yeah, I have this. How did I get that? Was it through an offer? Was it on sale? I don't know, because I don't remember paying full price for it. I digress. But I had this, and I ran out of it. And I've had to use, oh my gosh, it's old, but I haven't used it. The Essay Edit, which worked actually fine. It's working fine. I like it. It ain't bothering my eyes. That actually, I like the skincare from the Essay Edit. It's sad that they, like, that was like a whole different line. It's supposed to be a younger line of Estee Lauder, and it didn't really take off. But their skincare was actually really awesome from what I remember, and I'm liking the eye cream. It's working fine. So, I'm excited for this. This has a really, really neat, what? Yeah, it is. Oh, okay. I might have had a sample of this because it wasn't this big. It was about half the size. So maybe I bought it. Maybe I got an Ipsy offer. I don't know. It was about half this size. So this is big. This is. I just want to show you the applicator. Half an ounce. And the last thing, and that's MSRP is $50. Okay, the last thing is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is still Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigment, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. MSRP is $35. Love the colors. Love the packaging. There is one shade in here that doesn't contain carmine, and it is the Pressed Pigment Lucid. The others are just eyeshadows, and they contain carmine. And this is a gorgeous. It does have a little mirror. It's light. It's just, you know, cardboard, but she does make pretty palettes, and it does have the protector. Look how gorgeous that is. I would love to be able to use this color, this pink, which is weird that it's the one that doesn't have carmine. Because most pinks are red, so. But every other shade has carmine except for that one. And I would love to use this. This is gorgeous. Because someone like all her other palettes are like more shades, but this one's gorgeous. I would so go ham on this because I love that color. Love that color. Love these metallics. And then the oranges. One of my favorite crease colors. But okay. Yeah, so that was my box. I actually think it was a really good box. See how much my box was worth. 85, 120, 58, 170. They're saying my box is worth 170. Great, that's actually mostly newer stuff, or all newer stuff. The brushes. I wouldn't pay $35 for 2 brushes. Maybe 5. But yeah, overall I think that's actually a really good box. So I'm pleased with that. And it was new stuff. So yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, tools.